Hello friends, thanks for tuning into this Excel video series. Ambarish welcomes you. In this video, we will talk about templates in Microsoft Excel. I'm sure we all have heard this term called templates. You know, we have templates in Word, we've got templates in a PowerPoint, we've got templates in Outlook as well, and templates in Outlook is a very time-saving feature. So on similar lines, we have templates in Excel as well. I would be using the Microsoft Office Excel 2016 version for this demonstration on the screen. However, this concept of templates is possible in the earlier versions as well. Yeah. The interface of accessing the templates could be slightly different, but yes, the concept of templates is applicable to all latest few versions of Excel. Okay, so let's take an example here. Now on the screen here, let's just take an example that I'm a sales executive. Okay, and let's say I have some junior executives also working under me, right? So I would like to collect data from various sales executives, my executives, and for each day of the week, what was the sales figure that they achieved is something which I would like to send to my reporting manager every Friday before setting off for the weekend, right? So every Friday evening before I leave office, assuming Saturday, Sunday is a weekly off, yeah. So every Friday evening, I would like to send the sales report week, as in day of the week wise, and also the salesperson wise to my reporting manager, right? Now every Friday I can't keep typing the names of all my sales executives, and every Friday I can't keep typing Monday, Tuesday, and then drag throughout, right? So I'll just try to save my time here with the concept of templates. Okay, let's see how do I make the template. So let's say sales person 1. Okay, I can always type names of the people, but for now I can simply just type salesperson 1 and I can simply drag it down. Yeah, I'm sure we all know this dragging feature of Excel. Yeah, so it automatically comes up with salesperson 2, salesperson 3, and so on. Okay, so I've just done a simple dragging here throughout the column. I will also do a dragging throughout the row. So I type Monday here. Remember, my requirement is for the whole week, so I can type Monday, drag it on the right hand side, and that's it. It gives me Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah. Okay, now I can simply just now this is the area. Okay, the area which I am highlighting is the area where I will actually punch in or key in or type in my figures for each salesperson for each day of the week, right? Now notice here that these figures in this entire area which is currently highlighted will keep changing every week, right? For example, on Monday for a particular week, if salesperson 1 has achieved, let's say, 86 as his sales figure, it could be 92 on the next Monday. Okay, it could be 46 on the upcoming Monday, right? So the figures of each day of the week for each salesperson will keep varying. All right. Okay, so I will not do anything here in this portion which will keep varying, but yes, the names of my sales people will remain constant. Okay, here I've just mentioned salesperson 1 up to 10, but it could be the names of your whole sales team. Yeah, and here I've mentioned Monday through Friday. It could be Jan to December or anything. So the things which are going to be fixed throughout the every Friday sales report, I'm just keeping them fixed here as well. Okay. Now that the basic interface of my template is ready, I can simply, let's say my boss also expects me to give a total, so I can type the equal to sum function here, yeah, and control enter. I can just pull it down, drag it down. So I want this G column to automatically display the summation of all the figures achieved by all the salespersons. So for a particular salesperson, let's take an example, salesperson 1. Okay, throughout the week his sales figures should be totaled up and the answer should come here. Okay, maybe my boss also wants to have an average. Okay, so I can simply put up the average formula also here. These are pretty basic Excel functions. At present there is no data, hence the average is showing up as the hash div error. Yeah, but that's fine. Okay, now let's just save this entire Excel as a template. Okay, so I press the F12 key on my keyboard. In some of the laptops, please keep in mind it could be the function as well as the F12 key. Okay, now it takes me into this save as window. Okay, here it says book 1. I can always change the name, so let's say my sales template. I can always have a space in between the two words for a file name. That's fine. Here it says save as Excel type. Okay, I will go to the drop down here and I will choose the option. There's so many options given here. Yeah, many options given here. I will choose the one that says Excel template. Yeah, please note this. I'm choosing the one that says Excel template. Okay, also notice that the extension is .xltx. Okay, for a regular Excel file we will have the extension as .xlsx, which I'm sure everybody knows. All right, but for the template it is .xltx. Okay, the moment I select Excel template, what you observe here is the location of this file where it's getting saved gets changed. Earlier it was showing documents here. Okay, but now, or it could be desktop or D drive in your case, but now because of the fact that I have changed the save as type to Excel template, the location also has been changed automatically. Now the important point here is, let's not change this location. If your Excel or if your machine is saving it into a specific folder called custom office templates or roaming Microsoft templates, allow it to do that. Do not forcibly change the location to a desktop or a D drive or a C drive or a documents, because then it will not work as a template. It will simply work as a normal regular Excel file. Yeah, so let's keep it to what it suggests us, and that's it. I will now come to the bottom here and save. Okay, yeah, I'll save, and that's it. Yeah, so I'm back to my Excel spreadsheet. Okay, I can obviously close this now. I'll just close this. Yeah, all right. Now we have made the template. Okay, so far what we've seen is just how to create a template. What we will also see is how to modify the template or maybe delete the template. Yeah, but before that, let's also see how to access this template. Yeah, so let's say today is a Friday. Yeah, let's assume today is a Friday and I'm done with my work throughout the day. It's evening, I'm about to leave, and I just want to send this sales report to my reporting manager. Yeah, we just made the template, but now I would like to access that template, fill in the figures of the current week, and mail across to my boss. So how do we access the template? Remember, we saw it was getting saved in a specific folder. It could be roaming Microsoft templates or custom office templates. Correct? We did see this, right? Yeah. Let's just open any Excel. Yeah. So we don't really have to go to that location. Yeah. It's not compulsory for us to actually go to that location. We can simply open up an Excel, any Excel. It could be one of your existing Excel files or a completely new one, like the way I've just done. Yeah, let's go to the file here. Okay, on the top left, yeah, file, and let's select the option that says new. Okay, I click on new. Yeah, in earlier versions of Excel, you will have file and then you will have new, but after this, you will have something that says my templates. Yeah, in the Excel 2010, you will have it as my templates. Yeah. In the Excel 2007, it's office button, new, and then again my templates. Yeah, but here it is personal. I can go to personal from here. File, new, and personal. Okay, let's choose this personal. Okay, and there you go. It's right there. The one that I just saved, my sales template. Yeah, it's right here. All I need to do now is a simple double click. Yeah. a simple double click, and there you go, my template is right there. Okay, now the only thing which is pending is to fill up these figures. Yeah, so let's assume that the salesperson 1 achieved a figure of 54 for Monday, 65 for Tuesday, yeah, and let's say 54 again for Wednesday, 87, yeah, 23, yeah, and automatically once the figures are entered, it automatically calculates the total and average. Yeah, let's also fill in the figures for the other sales people, right? So I can use a rand between function. I mean, of course, in real life I will enter real figures, but for now I'm just entering random figures with the help of an Excel function. So let's just put some figures here. Okay, yeah, the moment I put some figures, you will see that it has automatically done its calculation for total and average. Now if I wish to save this to send this to my boss, I can simply do a Control S. Remember, I will not do an F12 or a function plus F12 to go to the save as this time. I would like to save this file as a normal Excel report or normal Excel file. Hence I will just say Control S and then give it a name. So let's say sales report for week 1 or week 2. That's it. I can say, I can keep it as Excel workbook. I will say save, and that's it. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm not sure where I saved this. I didn't take a look at the location, but that's fine. I can close this. File, recent. Yeah, it went into my documents. That's fine. Yeah, but there you go. It has been saved into my documents now. I can simply open up my Gmail or my Outlook or any other email or a pen drive and transfer the file to the person to whom it needs to go. Yeah. This was about making a template and accessing a template and actually using the concept of templates, right? Let's also see how I can modify the templates. So let's just close this. Okay, I open up a completely blank Excel. I can go to F12. I can again go to Excel template. Now notice this, there is this path or the location which is shown up here at the extreme top. Okay, so on my PC, it's going into my C drive under users. My profile name is Ambarish, documents, and under documents, it's going into custom office templates. Remember, we did see this path while creating the template as well. Yeah, I will simply copy this path now. Simple, select and Control C. Simple as that. Yeah. Okay, then I go to okay, Control C. Then I come out of this. Yeah, and then I can paste this in my Explorer window. Yeah, Windows E, Explorer as in the Windows Explorer. Yeah, I can go to this Windows Explorer and I can paste the whole path, and there you go, my sales template is right here. Now if I wish to delete this, okay, if I wish to delete this, I can simply come here and I can press the delete button on the keyboard. Okay, a simple delete button on the keyboard will or a shift delete will do the trick. Okay, but I want to make some modifications. Let's say I do not want to delete the template. You know, a deletion is only required when you no longer require that template. It could be that your complete your department is changed and you don't need to send these kind of reports anymore. Yeah, that's when you will delete the template if it's not required anymore. Yeah, but right now I will not delete the template because I would like to show you all how to modify an existing template. Okay, so for modification as well, let's just cancel this out. Let's again open up a completely fresh Excel file. Yeah, so Windows R and Excel. I go to this file, I go to new, I go to personal. Under the personal section, I've got this my sales template. This is the one which we had made last time. Yeah, so I double click on it. Yeah, this is the one which we had made last time. Yeah. Now let's say, as far as the modification is concerned, let's say my boss has also asked me to let's say add a couple of more sales people, right? So I only had up to 10 earlier, but now I can simply add the names of the 2 new people who've joined my team, for example. Yeah, In this case, I'm just dragging it down, but in real life, you would put the name of the people. Yeah, so I've added 2 more people. I obviously will also have to extend the sum function and the average function and some other functions which may have been put up in some other columns. Yeah, so I've made some changes. Okay, I've actually done some additions. It could be a change in the name, it could be a change, it could be an addition, it could be deletion of some, so any kind of a editing, okay, is possible. And now that I've done the editing, I can again press F12. Remember, F12 or the function plus F12 is the shortcut for save as. Yeah, automatically see the name has been changed to my sales template 1. Yeah, remember the last time when we made the template for the first time, the name was my sales template. Yeah, we had renamed it, but because we've made some addition now, the name has been changed to my sales template 1. Okay, now if I wish to keep both the versions, that is my sales template with just 10 guys and my sales template 1 with 12 guys. Yeah, if I wish to keep both, then I can always be happy about the difference in the name. But let's say I want to only keep the latest one. Yeah, I don't want the earlier one because there are 12 people in my team now, for example, right? So it is my duty then to ensure that the name is kept as same. Okay, so I should not keep another name, I should keep the same name. So I will change it to my sales template. So it's the same name that I'm keeping, and I will change this to from Excel workbook to Excel template. Yeah, remember to select Excel template while creating or modifying templates. Again, the path has been shown up as the custom office templates. Yeah, then let's come down, let's just click on save, and obviously because we've kept the same name, it is asking us if we wish to replace. I will say yes, definitely I would like to replace. I'll say yes, and that's it. I can close this. It takes me back to my Excel file. I can close that file. Again, let's go to file, new, my templates. Here we have the my sales template. Yeah, and when I double click, it opens up, and this time it shows me the latest version of my template with those 2 guys added. Yep. Okay, so that's how you can work on templates. Yeah, so what we've seen in this video is we've seen how to create an Excel template, we've seen how to modify, we've seen how to access the template every time we wish to send a report, and we've also seen how to delete the template by going through that Windows path. Yeah, the benefits of using templates are it saves your time. You don't have to keep typing the same bits and pieces of information which are required in every report. Yeah, and it's the other technical benefit is if you make a sheet and keep it somewhere on your desktop, okay, or on the C drive or D drive. Yeah, what happens is when you fill in the data of a particular week for the first report, it's done. It's done. Next time when you want to send another report for the next week, maybe you will have to first delete values from the existing report, last week's report. Yeah, and then fill in your new values. Right here, what happens is you can simply every time, without bothering about the last week's report, you can go to file, new, my templates, personal, and move on. Right, so we're saving time, we're being more productive. Okay, and the third advantage is if the file is stored somewhere here on the desktop, there is a chance that by mistake somebody will just come and delete the file, or we as a user sometimes we just delete the file and then realize, oh my god, that file was required by us. But because of the fact that we've saved this as a template, it's already stored in your Excel as a template in that folder which says custom office templates. So even if it is taken off from the desktop, it still remains there.